Hello everyone, welcome to the next topic of the Zoho books. In this topic, we will understand how to create purchase entry in Zoho books. First, before going to the Zoho books, let's understand what is Zoho, what is purchase entry or purchase invoice. So first understand what is purchase. Purchase is nothing when we buy some goods and service in cash or credit, which we call purchase. Now, what is purchase invoice? Is it a document, okay, where they specify of a product or service detail which we purchase by the supplier. Okay, in a purchase, it is a you can say purchase invoice is a corresponding of the purchase order. When the supplier take the purchase order, supplier will send the purchase invoice that is corresponding of the purchase order. Before that is a purchase invoice. Purchase invoice we use for the record of a purchase of goods or service by company. Okay, so I hope you have understand purchase, what is purchase invoice and what is purchase, and this purchase entry we will maintain in an accounting book under the purchase account. Okay, so let's move into the Zoho and see how to do the purchase entry. So for purchase entry, click on the purchase, then bills, click on new, enter the vendor name, purchase invoice number, date, it is mentioned in a purchase invoice, date will be mentioned in a purchase invoice, due, payment term, due on receipt for us, so due on receipt, select the service we are doing for the service entry, so service, SAC code, you can search SAC code on the Google. Okay, GST rate, if you get any discount, you can enter the discount. If it is not, leave it and save as okay. Right now we have not done a payment part because I will show the payment part in next topic. Let's get one more invoice for the goods. This is a purchase invoice. Okay, as you can see, the invoice number, date, everything is mentioned. Let's create one invoice for that. New, company name, if it is registered in a GST, you have to select register in GST, GSTN number, ABCFS 3789 E1Z9. Okay, now you can see it automatic span numbers and everything is come. Now click on save. Now bill date, bill invoice and bill number. Suppose it will be different old bill right now. So receipt for 15 days. Now item details. This is idle made of clay. Create. If it is not there, create. Clay unit pieces. You can search for HSL code. It is 69. Okay, HSN code, cost, purchase cost, 300 rupees. GST rate will be 0. Okay, then click on save. Okay, then you can enter the quantity as we 160 pieces. If you get any discount, let's see. No, we didn't get any discount. Then leave it and click on save as, open. Just a minute, is just a minute. I will edit. It is overdue because the date we have shown passed. Now let's create for the see it is okay. So I hope you have understand how to create purchase entry. Okay, I have already shown you how to create purchase entry for service or good. Both entry I have shown you. So I hope you have understand how to create purchase entry in Zoho. If you have any doubt or any question regarding that, you can contact us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the videos.